Welcome to. Are you done? No problem. All right. So here is how you are going to get into your virtual machine so you can have access to both SolidWorks and AutoCAD. First, you want to go to connect.northweststate.edu. Obviously, I've already been there. All right. And then you're going to put in your N number and your password. And you're going to click on sign in. And it may take a few minutes or a few seconds. All right, now that we're logged in, this is the screen you're going to be looking at. You are going to be assigned a computer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 through 26. Now, each class is going to have specific times that they can log in. The reason being, we have more students between CAD 2 and CAD 3 than we do computers. So I will be assigning each individual a certain computer. That is the only computer you are to log on. The reason being, if another person is on the computer at the same time as you, it will kick them off. The second thing I am going to have you do is set up times for each class to log into computers. So maybe Monday and Wednesday mornings go to CAD 2, and Monday and Wednesday evenings go to CAD 3, and then Tuesday it reverses, and then Friday it'll reverse every other week. I haven't quite figured that out, but you will get an email from me talking about that schedule. That schedule cannot be changed in any way. That's it. You've got to live within the schedule. All right, so all you have to do is click on the computer unit that you want. Now, if you don't have this Pulse, Open Pulse Secure app, just download it. No malware, no nothing. I go Open Secure. Now, the actual connection will take a minute or two. I have a tendency on clicking other things that I shouldn't be while I'm waiting for it to connect, and then I get messed up. So just be patient, and it will eventually connect you. So launching application window, please wait, and it's connecting into the computer, and voila. You may have the student window first and it's got to log in. I am now in E109-01's computer. Go ahead and click on this. I can click on SolidWorks. All right, here we are in SolidWorks. I'm going to make a part. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to, and by the way, if this is in your way, you can, oh, that goes back, yeah. Minimize that, and then right down at the bottom, you yep. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and make a part. Just I'm making a box cube. All right, boom. And well, it's not really a cube, is it? But whatever. It's a block. I'm going to extrude it. I don't know. 1 inch. Boom. 2 inches. Boom. Check. Yep. Now I can move my part around. Now you will notice that it does just have a little bit of hesitation, but that's just the nature of being in a machine over the web. That's just kind of what's going to happen. Now, if I go to File and Save As, all right, you'll notice this PC, I would do it in Downloads. Now, since you're going to be on this PC, I'm going to create a new file folder that says Colin, or whatever your name is, and then I'll change the part to, and then I'll double click on it. Now, this is my file folder for this computer, and then put in cube just to save it. Now, remember, I'll save it as a part file first, and then I'm going to go to where am I? Oh, that's not what I want. We go to my save as. Sorry, it's a little jumpy. Get it back over there. Save as. Now, what you're going to submit to me is a PDF. So always come down, click on PDF, just like you always have been, and then save. Now you have both versions. So now, what you want to do is in the virtual machine is log into Sakai on the machine itself. Okay. So if I come over here, we've got the windows. You want to log into Sakai because you're going to access this file from this computer. This cannot, your file is not being saved on your personal computer. It's on the virtual machine. So when you go to retrieve your file, you're going to get it off the computer itself. All right, so once you're all done, you can just close up shop. Yep, it says, well, yep, I want to disconnect. And voila, you're back to that. And that is how you connect to the virtual machines. Again, I'm going to send these instructions out. I will assign each one of you a computer number, and I will create the computer schedule, which will be out late tonight or early tomorrow. I hope this helps. Talk to you later. Bye.